Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 13A0002ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that your HP 13A0002ns has a cracked screen, you're not alone. This issue often arises from accidental drops or impacts that compromise the integrity of the display. If left unrepaired, it can lead to further damage, such as screen malfunction or internal component failure, disrupting your daily tasks. For this repair, you will need a replacement screen compatible with the HP 13A0002ns, a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some tweezers. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back panel using your plastic spudger. Gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once you've successfully opened the device, locate the cracked screen. You should see some screws securing the display assembly in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, remembering to keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Now, gently lift the screen away from the device, being cautious of any cables connected at the bottom. Disconnect these cables using your tweezers, ensuring you don't pull too hard to avoid damaging the connectors. Once the old screen is removed, take your new replacement screen and connect the cables back in the same order you found them. Secure the new screen with the screws you previously removed. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring all clips are aligned. Press down gently to snap everything back into place. Finally, power on your HP 13A0002ns to check that the new screen works properly. If everything is functioning as it should, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent future damage, consider using a screen protector or a sturdy case for your device. It's also wise to be mindful of where you place your laptop to avoid accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.